and 9 nines equals 81. Just like this. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to explore our Numberblocks 9 times table. So the first character is 1 lots of 9. Well, 1 lots of 9, I am going to use a little magic to see the first number block 1 lots of 9 just like this. Here's the first 1 lots of 9. 1 lots of 9 is 9. Well, 9 is alone, so he has no friends because he has only 1 9. However, he is a square. Well, 9 needs his new friend, so which means that I have to give him another 9, which means that 2 lots of 9s. Okay, so here 1 lots of 9 equals 9. So next character is 2 lots of 9s. Well, I'm going to use a little magic to see the another 9 just like this. Here's the another 9. Number block 9 isn't alone anymore. We got 1 9 plus another 1 9 equals to 2 9s. It's time to combine them together just like this. Alright, I got number block 2 9s just like this. Here's a 2 lots of 9s equals to 18. 18 is made out of 2 9s which can split into 2 lots of 9s. However, 18 is a super rectangle. Well, he can make a speed because he loves everything fast, but he can make rectangle the same as number block 12. So here's 2 lots of 9s equals 18. Okay, the next character is 3 lots of 9s. Well, 3 lots of 9s, I think I'm going to use a little magic to see the another 9 just like this. I take off the 18's numbering. Anyways, we got another 9 which is 1 9 and the 18 is 2 9s. So we need to combine them together. 2 plus 1 equals 3 9s. And 3 9s equals 27. Well, 27 is made out of 3 lots of 9s. Okay, 3 lots of 9 equals 27. And 27 can split into 3 9s and 9 can split into 3 3s, which means that 3 lots of 3s, lots of 3s. Well, can you guess what kind of shape that 27 can make? It's time to change just like this. Here's the cube. It's her command shape for the number block 27. So 27, the command shape is a cube, 3 by 3 by 3. It's time to change her shape just like this. It's almost like a step shape, but it's not. Well, here's the 3 lots of 9 equals 27. The next character is 4 lots of 9. 4 lots of 9s, I'm going to use a magic to see the another 9 just like this. Here's the another 9. Well, we need to combine them together. 27, 3 9s, and 9 is 1 9, so we got 4 9s. And 4 9s, I'll combine them together. We got our number block 36. 36 is 4 lots of 9s, and 4 lots of 9s equals to 36. 36 is a square. That's because he has square shaped eye, and he has pink features to represent 8. That's because he's the 8th member of the Step Squad Club, which wears step-shaped mask. And 36 can also make a square. So here's our 36. It's time to explore the 5 lots of 9s. Well, I think I'm going to use a magic just like this. I'm going to use a magic to see the another 9 just like this. The another 9 is coming. We got 4 9s plus 1 9. 4 9 plus 1 9 is 5 9s. So 5 9s is coming. It's coming like this. Here, 45 is here. Well, 45 is 5 lots of 9s, which signifies on her features. Well, she has gray eyes to represent 9 and blue mouth to represent 5. 9 times 5 equals 45. She also has a step shape just like 36. She's the 9th member of the Step Shape Club. So 5 lots of 9 equals to our number block 45. It's time to change the number block's 45 shape. We change just like this. Here, I change into 9 blocks wide but 6 blocks tall. Alright, the next character is 6 lots of 9s. I think I'm going to use a magic again to make a full rectangle, just like this. This time it's a full rectangle for 6 lots of 9s. So 5 lots of 9 plus 1 lot of 9 equals 6 lots of 9. And 6 lots of 9 equals 54. Okay, 54 is made out of 6 lots of 9s. 6 lots of 9s, it signifies on his bow tie, you know. Well, the bow tie, the left one, is the 9 blocks pattern to represent 9, and the 6 dots pattern to represent 6. So 9 times 6 equals to 54, which means that 6 lots of 9s equals to 54. Okay, I think I'm going to change the number block 54 shape again, just like this. We flip vertical. Alright, so here's our 54. 50, and the next character is 7 lots of 9s. Alright, I think I'm going to use a magic to see another 9 just like this. Here's the another 9, and 54 is 6 9s, and 1 9 is 9. So 6 9s plus 1 9 equals 7 9s, and 7 9s equals 63. 63 is made out of 7 lots of 9s, and 63 wears the rainbow headband to represent 7 and 9. Well, the colorful rainbow 7 is equals to 7, and the gray rainbow icon equals to number block 9, which means that 7 times 9 equals 63. So 7 9s are 63. It's time to change his shape just like this. Then we change into 6 blocks wide. Okay, the next character is 8 lots of 9s. I'm going to use a little magic to fill that rectangle just like this. The another 9 is coming. So we got 7 9s plus 1 9 equals 8 9s. And 8 9s equals to number block 72. 72 is made up of 8 lots of 9s. And it signifies on an octoblock's mask. That's because her eyes has 3 tones gray blocks, which means 9, and pink spikes to represent 8. So 9 times 8 equals 72. So 8 9s are 72. It's time to explore the another number, which is 9 lots of 9s. Okay, I'm going to use a little magic to see the another 9 just like this. The another 9 is coming. Alright, I will combine them together to make 8 9s, and 1 9 equals 9 9s, and 9 9s equals 81. 81 is made of 9 9s. It's time to change its shape. Just like this. Here, 81 is made of 9 9s, and 9 9s is a square, which means that the part of the member of the square club. Wow, so cool. And he has great features to represent 9 because he's the 9th member of the square club, and 1 block middle to represent his nose. Yeah, when he sneezes, the 1 red block comes out. Here's the 9 times 9 equals 81. The last character is 10 lots of 9s. 10 lots of 9s, I'm going to use a magic to see the another 9 just like this. Here's the last 9. And we got 9 9s plus 1 9s equals to 10 9s. Well, I think I'm going to take the numbering off and put the 9 at the top just like this. I got 10 9s. And 10 9s is equals to 90. 90 is made of 10 9s. And this is the last character because 10 times 9 equals 90. However, his face looks like number block 9, but he doesn't have square-shaped eye. That's because he couldn't make square. And he has 3 gray tone hair to represent 3 lots of 30s and a pocket to hide his magic wand. So here's our 10 lots of 9s equals 90. Okay, and that was the end of today's video. I think you guys like and enjoy my Numberblocks 9 timetable with the Mathlink Cubes. So see you again next time, friends. Bye bye.